Hello guys, my order came from Amazon and I ordered another lights for live streaming for YouTubing. If you remember guys that I ordered first one and there's only one light in there, and I tried it like to if it's gonna work nice or bad or good, and I only use it for one time, try it, and when I use it, the remote control is, broke down and I can't use it anymore. And I noticed that the one that ring light is very dim. It's not enough if you want really a bright video. It seems like not enough, so I return it, and then I tried to find in Amazon if they have a better one. So I picked this one, and I don't know if this will gonna work. This one, I have a hard time finding how to do it, so press it hard. Okay, there we go. Lock it, and then put the screen inside.
Good for those who are doing the makeup tutorial, but I will still put it on. Though I have no plan of doing the makeup tutorial because I have a very bad eyes and it's not my forte. Remote control. So the lights. Oh, remote control is so fun. I have to connect this to the Bluetooth. I have to connect this to the Bluetooth. Alright.
Okay, let's turn it on. If it's working good. There you go. So that is the one. So I was able to connect the camera on this remote control. So I was using it now. So yes, you can change the color from different colors. You can make it steady. Different types of color, blue, purple. You can make it dim. So interesting. purple, blue, and blink. Green, blue, red, green, blue, orange, purple, blue, and change. Depends on how you want it to be, faster or slower. There you go, it blinks a lot. Then you can make it steady. You can go back to normal color, I think. Next, dimmer. There's hundreds of hundreds. There's a lot of different types of shades. Awesome. Alright folks, I think I did a great review. So if you want guys to have this, it's up to you. So this is the remote. You can connect it to the Bluetooth. And there is a mirror in it. There is an instruction. And it's a love code, red ring light. Alright. It has this instruction also for the remote control and how you connect it to your Bluetooth. Alright, absolutely nice. There's no there's nothing like this. It's this one I use this. This is from my Kindle, so I use it to connect. Probably you can also use the app